We're going to explain how to solve the ModuleNotFoundError, no module named faker error in Python. This error happens when your Python code tries to use the faker library, but Python can't find it. The faker library is fantastic for generating fake data, like names, addresses, emails, and more, which is useful for testing or prototyping. The solution is straightforward. You need to install the library. We'll cover two main ways to do this, using pip and using conda. 1. Installing faker using pip. Pip is the standard package installer for Python. Open your terminal or command prompt. If you're using a virtual environment, which is highly recommended, make sure it's activated first. Then type pip install faker and press enter. Pip will download and install the faker library and its dependencies. After the installation completes, try running your Python code again. If everything went smoothly, the error should be gone. If you encounter problems with pip, ensure you have the latest version by running pip install, upgrade pip. 2. Installing faker using conda. Conda is a package and environment manager often used with Anaconda or Miniconda. If you're using conda, open your Anaconda prompt, or your terminal if conda is configured correctly. Activate your conda environment, if using one. Then type conda install cconda forge faker and press enter. Conda will search its repositories, including CondaForge, which is a very reliable source, for the faker package and install it. Once installed, try running your Python code again. 3. Checking your installation and environment. After installing, it's important to verify that faker is correctly installed. One way is to open a Python interpreter by typing Python in your terminal and try importing it. Import faker. If no error appears, it means the installation is successful. If you still receive an error, double-check that you are running the script within the correct Python environment, if using virtual environments or conda environments. The faker library needs to be present in the environment where you are executing your Python code. Sometimes you might have multiple Python installations or environments, and the wrong one might be active. 4. Troubleshooting potential issues. If you still get the error even after following these steps, a few other things could be happening. You might have a typo in your import faker statement. Double-check your spelling carefully. Also, ensure you haven't accidentally created a file or directory named faker in the same directory as your Python script. This can cause conflicts. If you're using an IDE, make sure that your IDE's Python interpreter is configured to use the correct environment where you installed faker. Finally, if you still have trouble, consider searching online for more specific error messages or details about your environment setup for additional help. Remember to restart your IDE or terminal after installation to ensure changes are applied correctly.